just a place you visit, it's a journey you feel. In this 6 days in Vietnam experience, discover a perfect balance of culture, nature, and relaxation, from the charm of Da Nang to the tropical beauty of Phu Quoc. With Vietnamtour.in, every detail is thoughtfully taken care of, from comfortable stays to seamless transfers and carefully curated experiences, so you can travel with complete ease and peace of mind. Your journey begins in Da Nang, a coastal city where clean beaches and a relaxed atmosphere welcome you from the very first moment. Upon arrival, you are warmly greeted and privately transferred to your hotel, ensuring a smooth and comfortable start to your trip. The rest of the day is yours to unwind at your own pace, whether it's taking time to rest after your flight, enjoying a gentle walk along the beach, or simply relaxing in the comfort of your hotel. A calm and effortless beginning, setting the perfect tone for a journey designed around ease, comfort, and meaningful experiences. Today, step into one of Vietnam's most iconic destinations, Ba Na Hills. As you ascend by cable car, the city fades away, replaced by cool mountain air and breathtaking views. Walk along the famous Golden Bridge, gently held by giant stone hands floating above the clouds, a moment that feels almost surreal. Continue to the charming French village, where European-style architecture meets mountain scenery, and enjoy light entertainment at Fantasy Park. A day that blends nature, architecture, and wonder, all in comfort. This morning, discover the cultural side of Da Nang. Visit Marble Mountains, where caves and temples are hidden within limestone hills, offering both scenic views and a spiritual atmosphere. Continue to Monkey Mountain, home to the majestic Lady Buddha statue overlooking the sea, a peaceful place to pause and take in the view. Explore Amphu Cave, where light and shadow create a unique and memorable experience. Later, transfer to the airport for your flight to Phu Quoc, where the journey shifts into pure island relaxation. Today is all about fun, discovery, and shared family moments. Begin your morning at Vin Pearl Safari, Vietnam's largest wildlife park, where you can observe animals in a natural, open environment from the comfort of your vehicle. In the afternoon, continue to Vin Wonders, a vibrant theme park filled with attractions, shows, and interactive experiences for all ages. It's a full day of light adventure, exciting yet easy and enjoyable for the whole family. Experience the true beauty of Phu Quoc's islands today. Start with a visit to a Pearl Center, learning about one of the island's most famous specialties. Then, cruise through the southern islands, Mong Tay Island, Gam Gi Island, where crystal clear waters invite you to swim, relax, and simply enjoy the moment. Later, take the cable car ride across the sea, one of the longest in the world, offering stunning panoramic views. End your day at Sunset Town, where the golden light creates a perfect peaceful ending to an unforgettable day. Enjoy your final moments in Phu Quoc at your own pace. Perhaps a quiet breakfast overlooking the sea, a last gentle walk along the shoreline, or simply time to relax and take in the peaceful atmosphere one more time. When it's time to depart, your private transfer ensures a smooth and comfortable journey to the airport. Effortless, just as your trip has been from the very beginning. And as you leave, you take with you more than just photos, but a collection of meaningful moments. A journey that felt easy, enriching, and truly memorable from start to finish. With Vietnamtour.in, every journey is designed to bring you comfort, ease, and meaningful experiences. If you're ready to explore Vietnam in a way that feels relaxed, seamless, and truly memorable, let us take care of every detail. Contact Vietnamtour.in today and begin your perfect 6 days in Vietnam journey.